The season that looked like loss will become gain. What if the season you thought was breaking you was actually building you? What if the moments that looked like loss were secretly planting the seeds of your greatest gain? Today, I want to remind you, God never wastes a season. Even the season that feels confusing, painful, or unfair is setting you up for a comeback that will shock you. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to see why what looked like loss is actually preparing you for divine gain. Welcome back to the channel. If you're in a place where you feel like you've lost something, whether it's time, opportunities, relationships, stability, confidence, or direction, this message is for you. God specializes in turning what the enemy meant for evil into something that works for your good. And today, you will understand why this season is not the end, it is the beginning of a new chapter God Himself is writing for you. One loss is often the doorway to God's greater plan. Many breakthroughs begin with something that looks like loss. Joseph lost his coat, his freedom, and his family. Yet God used all of it to place him in the palace. Sometimes God allows certain things to fall apart. Not to hurt you, but to position you. The loss becomes the transition. The setback becomes the setup. You may not understand it right now, but loss is often the doorway God uses to redirect you to where you were always meant to go. God is using this season to prune and prepare you. Before God elevates you, He purifies you. Before He multiplies you, He prunes you. Jesus said in John 15 that every branch that bears fruit is pruned so it can produce more strength, more wisdom, more purpose, more maturity. Maybe this season has been uncomfortable. Maybe you're asking God, why did this happen? But the pruning is proof that you are growing. God is preparing you for a level you could not enter with what you used to carry. 3. God never takes without intending to replace with better. When something leaves your life, God already knows what will replace it. You may not see it yet, but heaven already has the blueprint. When God closes a door, it is not rejection, it is redirection. You might feel like you lost the opportunity. But what if God is saving you from a pathway that would have held you back? What looked like loss might actually be divine protection. 4. Every season of loss carries a hidden lesson. Instead of asking, why did I lose it? Ask, God, what are you teaching me through this? Because hidden in every difficult season is wisdom you cannot buy, strength you cannot learn from comfort, growth you cannot gain on the mountaintop. Some of the greatest lessons come wrapped in seasons that don't feel good. But later, you look back and say, if that didn't happen, I wouldn't be who I am today. 5. What looked like loss will turn into multiplied blessing. God never ends a story with loss. Look at Job. He lost everything, yet God restored double. Look at Ruth. She lost her husband, yet God gave her a lineage that led to King David. Look at the disciples. They thought the cross was the end, but it became the foundation of salvation for the world. Your loss is not the conclusion. It is the preparation for restoration, elevation, and multiplication. 6. The key is trusting God in the dark. You may not see what God is doing right now, but faith is not about seeing, it's about trusting. The God who allowed the season is the same God who will redeem the season. He has already written the ending, and it will make sense. The tears will make sense. The waiting will make sense. The loss will make sense. God is turning your story around. Slowly, silently, but surely. I declare over your life, what looked like loss will become gain. What looked like the end will become a new beginning. What looked like failure will become testimony. You will see God restore, replace, rebuild, and redeem every season you thought was wasted. If this message spoke to your spirit, don't leave without hitting like, subscribing, and turning on notifications, because more life-changing messages are on the way. And comment below, my loss will become gain. I can't wait to see what God does next in your life. God bless you.